All right, these are the Woodcraft lever / hand guards, and we'll talk about why we categorize them in those two categories in just a minute. First, the reason why these things came out was to protect brake levers from accidental contact. These guards fit on aftermarket clip-ons that are 7/8 diameter. You'll typically take the bar and run it right through the handguard itself and then place all your throttle and controls right there. And what this does is this allows the curved part of the brake lever, of the brake guard, to protect you from accidental side contact from another rider. So we did a bunch of these things to make ours unique, as we always do. Our lever guards attach to the cylindrical surface of the bar. So when you mount them, you push the bar through the end. This does a couple things. One, it gives you some extra protection. The combination of having some bars sticking through the end and the lever there actually helps protect your levers very well in a crash. So sometimes having guys tip over, be able to pick up and keep going because they had the lever guards on there. We put a little guard right there so that when you fall down, you don't grind the heads off the bolts. It makes it easy to actually fix and replace it. The guard is adjustable for length, so depending on how far you run the lever out, you can make it closer or further away from your tip. And then we also make the guard out of plastic. This is a couple things for you. The plastic guard makes the replacement parts much cheaper. And if you notice, I can actually give this thing just a little bit of flex. And what that does, that's designed it on purpose. We engineered this exactly the way we wanted it to. So that if someone comes over and hits your bar, rather than that thing having no give whatsoever and transferring 100% of that energy into your motorcycle, it has a little bit of energy absorption. It gives you a better chance to sustain control in the event of a crash. Now, why do we call them hand guards as well? Because in addition to protecting your levers, and these again are required by most organizations on the right side where your brake lever is, they also protect your outer finger. If you fall down, I have several friends that are missing their pinky fingers from the knuckle up because their hands wrapped around the bar, and when they fell down, they got trapped underneath there and got them ground off. So if you're hanging onto the handlebar and you've got a guard on there, that helps prevent it, okay? It doesn't make it so it can happen every single time, but it makes it far less likely for your finger to get stuck underneath the motorcycle and to prevent that injury. So that's why we recommend you do them in the pair, so that you can not just protect your brake lever on the right side, that you can protect your pinky finger on both hands, because we need left pinkies too.
Go to woodcraft-cfm.com or call us at 978-297-2977. Woodcraft Technologies, designing and manufacturing function-first, race-ready parts for over 20 years.